Hello, my name is Afolabi Sunday, and today I will be showing us how seamless communication can be between different tools. Today I'll be working with three different tools. One is Go High Level. Go High Level is a sales and marketing tool. So these two help business owners to manage their businesses. And the second tool I'll be working with is n8n. n8n is an AI automation tool that helps us to integrate with different tools through API integration. And the third tool I'll be working with is Asana. Asana is a project management tool that helps us to manage our projects effectively. So, communicating together, what I'll be showing us first is what I have in Go High Level. The first thing I have is my pipeline, which will show us how our leads are moving from the inception right to the closure their of their time in our Go High Level. Also, because I want to move only the qualified lead to Asana, I have to qualify this lead. So I built a lead qualification system to score all of these leads. So after this is done, then I tag all of these lead and put them in their right pipeline stages. So because I only want to work with hot lead, which is 70 and above, I want to send them to Asana for proper operational follow-up. Then I added a webhook here that n8n would listen to from here to extract the payload. So this will receive the payload and have to work with it to create tags, to send email, to update custom field in Asana, and also to create sub tags. All of this is what we will be seeing shortly. And to make this effective, I had to create a page, right? So this is a mini page, right? It is a three-step funnel. We should have our landing page, opt-in page, which a form is added, and the form is going to be a trigger for all of these things we're trying to do. And also we have our thank you page. So previewing this page, this is the page landing, then this is city leading to the opt-in page. Then I click on this, then I fill my information. Then let's call this um Jude. Let's call this Jude Fola B. Let's add a Fola B automate and com preferred or uh, budget ranges. Let's pick 500 and note that all of these options that are picked in this custom field, right, would appear in our Asana. And if you should check the Asana here, right, can you see the Asana is empty? So that means we are working with an empty tag. So we just have these sections. So what I'll do here is before I have to listen to this webbook, right? Then I get access. So let's look at what will happen, right? So if you should look at this, then you'll see that we have okay, this is 50. I think it's still adding up. Okay, added to 100. So automatically it will trigger this webhook, right? So we can see, right, it has triggered the webhook. So it has created a task, it has sent an email. So now it is creating subtasks, it has updated the custom fields. So let's look at the email. Let's refresh this real quick. Uh, okay, before that comes in, let's come and check our Asana. Now we can see our Asana. Um, this is the task now that is just created, Jude Folabi, and we can see all of the custom fields updated with the right information. I also added the GHL contact ID which will allow us to communicate back with Go Eye Level. If you should check this, it has a description added. So this is a full Asana setup that is done seamlessly and effortlessly from our automation in n8n. So we can see all of this. So this is the description added, and we have 19 sub tags here. All of this added without having to do anything in Asana. So another thing I also did, because I don't want to make this communication a one-way communication, I want this to be a back and forth communication. So what I did was to send a signal back to Go High Level that okay, this work we have received what you sent to us and we've started work. So what I did was, now if we should look at the Go High Level stage here, we can see that this is on what qualified and forwarded to operations. So for the people, for the team in Go High Level to know that okay, operation has started, so I have to create another workflow, right? That will trigger and bring this tax, that bring this lead right to this pipeline stage. And this is what I did also in my n8n. So this is another workflow, right? So this I trigger this from any update that is made right in Asana. Then it will get the tags, clean it up, and if right, so we have to get the right tags. Do you understand? So we'll be working with the contact ID from Go I level, right? So I click on this, then let's just go straight in here, and the status, if the status is change from not started to started, then automatically it will trigger this workflow. It will trigger this workflow, right? Good. So now let's see what will happen here. So this is still in qualified. Now it has moved this automatically towards operation started work. So automatically you know that okay, operation has started work. And if you should notice, there was no note, like no note was added before, but because what I created this to add a note, can you see add notes node? So I the note is here, that let's check what is in the notes. Error loading. Let's have to check back again. Okay, good. So we have our notes now. Operations team has officially commenced work on these sales, and that is it. Now, can you see how this works? And this is what I can definitely extend to every client needs. So if you are a business owner and you have to communicate, you have to integrate Asana, Go High Level, and n8n, even tools beyond all of this, you can always reach out to me. I am a revenue system architect. I help you to maximize every opportunity to generate revenue while also reducing cost in every means possible. Once again, my name is Afolabi Sunday, and I will be getting back to you on our next system that we will be building. Thank you, and have a nice day.